I'm here so right now. You know what I mean? I'm here tuned in with the Empress, you know.
Right, pumpkin's gone. One baby down, one baby to go. Good morning, everybody. Today, new week, Monday the 28th of November. Okay, time is 7:20 in the morning, and I'm going to bring you along with me this week. This vlog's going to be like a week in the life. Okay, I've got a lot of things to do this week. Got some business to conduct today, which I'll be bringing you along with me for. This weekend I'm going down to St. Elizabeth for a funeral, and I've got some things I need to do up there. So on Friday I'm going to be hiring a car, and Saturday we're going to be going on a road trip to St. Elizabeth for the weekend. I look forward to bringing you all to that. Okay, but let's get into today. So at present I'm going to get baby girls ready for school and nursery, and then I'm going to be heading out, and you're going to be on the road with me all day today because I've got some business to conduct with regards to my business registration. Okay, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Come on, say morning.
Morning. I'm going to school.
Yes, you are. Come on, let's be quick. Morning, Nana, say morning. She's ready and dressed for nursery, guys. Right, let's do this. Come on, school. Right, pumpkin's gone. One baby down, one baby to go. Let's go sort out Naya's stuff. I'm on borrowed time because Pumpkin finishes school at 2 o'clock, and I want to try and do everything I have to do before I pick her up. So the good thing is Naya's nursery is in the town, and everything I've got to do is in the town as well. So as soon as I drop off Naya, I can just do what I need to do. All right, so I'm going to go sort out Naya's bag, sort out my bag, and hit the roads. Say hello. Right, we're on our way to nursery now. I think I'm going to walk. Sometimes I get a taxi, but I can't be bothered because of the morning rush hour. It's like after 9 now. I'm a bit late, reason being I couldn't find my keys. These blasted kids. But yeah, found my keys now, and we're making our way to nursery. Say hi, boo boo. Yeah, no, I'm alright, thank you. So yeah, we're gonna walk into Ochi. I don't live far from town. Yes, yes. Say hello. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna get baby to nursery, and then we're gonna run our errands. Okay, I used to walk with the stroller, but let me tell you something. These Jamaican roads are not for strollers. They're not for pedestrians. So it's a lot easier for me to just carry baby now. I do as the Jamaicans do and carry her everywhere. Yes. Okay, so woo, it might take about 25 minutes to get there, but we'll be fine. Okay, and I'll see you all soon. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Morning. Come, look at that sign, guys. Disneyland, Turtle River Park, 26th of December. That's my baby's second birthday. So, that is what I will be treating her to. Turtle River Park. I'm looking forward to that. We're going to probably buy the tickets today, actually. Alright. 1 minute, baby. I'm knackered. 10 o'clock, Naya's at nursery. I now need to go and do some stuff with regards to my business registration. So what I'm going to do now, because I've changed addresses, I'm going to change the address of my business. Okay, and my business is going to be running from home until I can afford an office space, which I hope will be in the near future. So until then, I have to update my address. So what I've got to do now is I've got to go to a shop and do some printing and some photocopying, because they don't allow you to update your address online. So I've got to do everything manually, photocopying, printing. Then I need to go to the bank and pay the fee to the COJ, and then from I do that, I need to once I've paid the fee to the COJ, I need to send it off via the post office. So I've got 4 hours to conduct all of that business, because baby girl finishes school at 2. So I'm hoping 4 hours is enough time to do all of this, because going to the bank in Jamaica can sometimes be an all-day affair. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it can be done. Alright, so let's go run my errands. Okay guys, so I just have completed my printing and my photocopy at the NJH stationery outlet. Very affordable, might I say, very affordable. Right, now off to, where am I going now? Let's go to the bank. No, ATM first guys, and then to the bank. Alright, walking down Ochi. Right, see you all at the bank. Okay guys, I'm queuing for the ATM now. Monday mornings in Jamaica, it's really hard to find an ATM with money inside. I've been to my actual bank, VNBS, no money. So I'm here at another ATM outside Champion Supermarket to see if I can withdraw some money, because I need to pay baby's nursery fees for the week, Pumpkin's lunch fees for the week, plus pay the $2,500 it costs to update my address with the company's Office of Jamaica. So let's hope this one has money in it.
Please enter the amount when you are ready. Please wait while your transaction is processing.
I think there's money in this one. I'm in the ATM. I like the security of these ATMs. They're not out in the open like they are at home in the UK. Money sorted. Right. Let's see how much money I don't have. Right, done. Right guys, now this is done, I can head to the bank and pay the fee for the company's Office of Jamaica. God knows how long I'm going to be there for. Time now is 20 to 11? Quarter to 11. So I've still got time. Let's do this. Time now is where's my phone? 10 to 11. Let's see how long it takes to get out of here. So that form you have all just seen is the BN5 form, and this is the form that needs to be completed when you are updating your details for your business via the company's Office of Jamaica. You can register the business online, which is what I did in August of this year, but in order to update your details, it's got to be done manually, hence why I'm spending the day on the road today trying to update the address for my business. After about an hour and a half, I had been seen, I was able to pay the fee, and I'm just putting the receipt in the envelope with all the other paperwork, because you need to provide proof of funds being paid into the account before they will even think about changing the address. So with that receipt, the BN5 form, my TRN, my ID and my proof of address, that's now ready to be sent to the company's Office of Jamaica via the post office. Right guys, that's been paid $2,500 into the account of the company's Office of Jamaica. Now I'm going to go into the bank and send all of these documents off. Not the bank, sorry, the post office. And the post office is right next door, so let's do this. I get any receipt or proof of postage or anything? Or? How do I do that, my dear? Okay, I'll do that, please. I just want to make sure it gets there. 8.50. And what did that? So I register it, and that just ensures that I get a proof of postage with that one, or a receipt. Okay, yeah, I'll take that one, please. Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me. Good afternoon. Is anybody working?
Yeah. Oh, come on, I must have $50. Come on, I must have $50. Right, 20, 40. Okay, thank you. 20, 40.
When they finish the run and nigga, because we can't go on the boat, you know. We enjoy ourselves, we drink and get nice. But they are watching, man.
Right, 1:15 and I've made it home. Not too bad. 10, 11, 12, 1. So that took about 3 hours. Okay, but what I set out to do has been done. I've sent my paperwork off to the company's office of Jamaica. I've got my proof of postage. So fingers crossed that will go through and I get that sent to me as soon as possible. So I've got 45 minutes until I got to go get Pumpkin from school. So during this time, I'm just going to get on the internet and check some emails and stuff, pick her up from school, cook dinner, and then before you know it, it's time to go and get baby girl. So I'll see you all very, very soon. So look who's back from school. How was your day?
Good. I heard about the story about the craven dog.
A story about what, baby?
The craven dog.
The craven dog. Do you want to tell us the story about the craven dog?
Yeah.
Go on.
So, craven dog ate all the dog's bones.
He ate all the dog food and all the bones.
Yeah.
How craven. Have you got homework to do?
Yeah.
Take out your bag, let me see. Come. Let's see. Hold the camera for mummy. Yeah, point the camera on your bag. Good girl. You can see. Let's see what she's got to do today. Yes, we didn't do your. I don't know what happened. No, don't point it at me right now. Oh, my camera girl for the future. Right, what's today? The 28th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She's got 9 pages of homework to do today. Due in tomorrow. And I've got to make dinner. Give me the camera. And we didn't do this homework. So guys, this is what baby girl's got to do today. You see, my day is nowhere near finished. So this is all the homeworks. Okay, she's managed to do a lot of catching up. These are all the pages we had to catch up on because she started school late, but this is today's homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get homework done while I cook dinner because we've got about 2 hours before we have to go and get Naya Bingi. Alright, so we're going to do homework, we're going to cook, and then you'll see us when we're going to pick up baby girl. Bye! Yeah, guys, I'm just about to brown stew some chicken, right? And this packet came in, the chicken. One of my fellow Jamaicans, please let me know what this is. I'm not going to open it. I don't want to open it. It feels all weird on the inside. But yeah, please, someone let me know what this is, please. Right, guys, 4:10. Homework's been done. You do your homework, Tash?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell everyone what you did.
I did everything.
Homework's been done. Dinner's been, well, chicken's been brown stewed. Need to go back home and put on the rice, but got to go and get baby first because nursery shuts at 5, 10 past 4. We're walking back down the road again. I might get a taxi if I feel like it, but it's a nice evening. I think I'm going to walk. All right, so let's go get baby, and you lot will see us once we've got Naya.
They never hear the yard man did a shot. Who want to run and just make a get a knock? Everything girl, take off the mask right when your body look good, you know, so the ass time. Hey, let me cap it up, yeah. One thing we never tell you, this a jet life. Give me a 5, but give me a 10. I got a call for the Western and tell you again. Yay. Are you know? Yeah, 1 minute.
Alright guys, so I was on my way back from nursery and I've just met this guy called Gambino, okay? He's an up-and-coming artist, alright, and I think I'm going to give him some exposure, alright? So, here is a little snapshot from Gambino. He's going to introduce himself, he's going to play some of his music, and he's going to let you know how you can follow him on his socials, okay?
I'm here so right now, you know what I mean? I'm here tuning in with the Empress, you know, holding a little vibes. You know what I mean? On the YouTube channel. Well, my guys are then, you see the ghetto youths them, Jamaica, all over, England, America, Canada, anyone to come from. And me I say, see how politicians treat the people them. You know what I mean? That's not the right way of them to greet the people them. You know, I look on them and tell them, ghetto youths time. Me go so, we'll get to youths living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sign. You will make it if you try now. A lot of hypocrites and parasites, no one to see your eyes. All them do a criticize you. Ghetto youths, you know you got to wise. Try open up your eyes. Make Jaja guide you. Enemy them a forget to fight. Can't come by my side like no mule. Me go so then, inna the ghetto with no pretty at all. Heard the little hungry kids down inna the city a ball. From morning of no eat, me see a beer white squall. And the worm them inna them belly a crawl. Mama inna the market, selling some food on the stall. Inna the boiling sun a river when rain a fall. To outing stuff, Pan Jaja she call. She give thanks to the little and no matter it's small. Real ghetto youths live in the ghetto life, not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. A lot of hypocrites and parasites, no one to see your eyes. All them do a criticize you. Ghetto youths, you know you got to wise. Try open up your eyes and make judge and guide you. Enemy them a fit. This is true, my kind of host, but here what now? The youth them a work hard to survive. That's how they stay alive. Some of them 9 to 5 and some of them juggling on the side, and ghetto youths not give up the fight. Jah will shine the light, pray to Jah and everything will alright. Sing again, we'll ghetto youths living the ghetto life. Not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. A lot of hypocrites and parasites, no wanna see your rise. All them do a criticize you. Ghetto youths and all you got to wise. Try open up your eyes and make Jah guide you. Enemy them a forget to fight. Can't come by my side like no me own. Me go so then inna the ghetto with no pretty at all. I heard the little hungry kids down inna the city a ball. Morning enough no eat, me see a beer white squall and the worm them inna them belly. Mama inna the market selling some food on the stall. Inna the boiling sun or even when rain a fall. And to outing stuff, Pan Jaja she call. She give thanks to the little Anna. So me sing again. We'll get a youth living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. Lots of hypocrites and parasites, no wanna see you rise. All them do what criticize you. Get a youth say now you got to wise. Try open up your eyes and make Jaja guide you. Enemy them a forget to fight, can't come by my side. On ready again? The youth them a work hard to survive. That's how they stay alive. Some of them 9 to 5 and some of them juggling on the side, and get a youth and give up the fight. And Jah will shine the light, pray to Jah and everything will all Empress will sing again. It's just the ghetto youth's time. No more war, no more crime. Come make we all unite and live in love in this time. So me sing again. I know no listen to my rhyme. Gambino up on the front line with the Empress, with the kids them. Same time, so me go some more time, one time. So we'll get a youth living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sight, and you will make it if you try now. A lot of hypocrites and parasites, no wanna see your rise. All them do what criticize you. Ghetto youths, Yo, bitter so. Gambino, sicker so. And me a say weed and me a say liquor so. You know what I mean? I'm say Empress, big up, you know.
Thank you. So tell
That
the
is
people
it.
them your name.
And you know it's Gambino. Yeah, man, from Kingston, Jamaica, but you know I'm in Ouch right now, you know what I mean? So me I say, watch you know, from Kingston to Ouch, them have to know if you approach me. Alright then, so me go so then from Kingston to Ouch, you just know if you approach me and not roach me. Real gangster, just coach me. Ready, you know?
Do you have an Instagram or a YouTube?
Yeah, I got Instagram, Gambino Reggae. You can check me out on Instagram and YouTube, Gambino. You know, Facebook, you know what I mean? Gambino said speed. TikTok, Gambino.
Yes.
And me ya tell you say bitter so. Me style them bad and them sicker so. And me weed and me liquor so. Vibes man a billion so. And me and the Empress and the kids them a trillion so. Alright then. So me sicker so.
Kids them.
Style them bitter so. Under the weed and me liquor so. But ready you know? Watch this. Now I make them plan me like that.
Gambino was good, guys, wasn't he? Right, so we just made a quick stop to get some chips to go with the chicken. So I'm not going home to put on no rice. It's 5 to 6 now. I don't usually get home this late, but because I was filming with Gambino, it's taken a bit of time. So that's it, guys. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed, because once we go home, it's dinner, bath and bed for the girls. Tomorrow's another day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys, and I'll see you all on the weekend when we take our road trip down to St. Elizabeth. Bye.
Every time, if you say be so facing